All right, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And guess what? The Reggae Boys started off the weekend in fine style. Really, really good style. I'm going to run through some of the players, some aspects of the weekend that some of the players, actually that's first match day, and we have a lot of players standing out already. Daniel Green, Johnson Clark Harris, Bobby Reid, Leon Bailey. We're going to discuss a few of those people. So, a few of those players. So, guys, just smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. This is just a general update on what the Reggae Boys are doing already over the weekend. So, we're going to start off with the first player, people. Pretty much an intriguing one here, I believe. Daniel Green, actually. And let's see what's happening here. He's the first player we're really, really gonna look into and see. Listen, Daniel Green registered another goal on the 56th minute of his game. Tallying up Ho Min Chin, or is it Ho Chi Minh? I think it's Ho Chi Minh City in the V League to their third win of the season. Now they are sitting quite comfortable in the mid pathway of the table, which is quite nice. This is now Daniel Green second goal of the season. So he started off the season quite fine since arriving at Ho Chi Minh City. Ho Chi Minh City. Yeah. Hopefully I'm not getting it wrong. So the next player we'll be looking at is none other than the man himself, Johnson Clark Harris. No, Johnson Clark Harris has been phenomenal since the start of the season. Only represented us once in the friendly, I think it's against Catalonia, but that one game we couldn't use that one game as the benchmark to say, hey, whatever, whatever. But definitely he's a player of quality. He's a top tier striker. He's a really, really good striker, people. Now, Johnson Clark Harris registered a brace today against Lincoln in the League One of the English football pyramid. Now, Johnson Clark Harris is the leading goal scorer for League One so far this season, registering 5 goals in 5 appearances. So he's most definitely one of the players that we must keep our eyes on this season. So Johnson Clark Harris, well done again. Moving on to the next one. Petersburg doing good, really, really good start of the season for Petersburg. So we see how they proceed throughout the season. Now the next player we're going to look at is Bobby Reid, who registered an early goal in the first minute in the Premier League for Fulham today. They face off against Brentford. Unfortunately, Ethan Pinnock is still out. Hopefully to see him back quite soon. But nevertheless, Fulham defeated Brentford 3 goals to 2. A very good encounter, really, really good game. But I strongly believe that this performance was a solid performance by Bobby Reid today. Extremely good performance. He was vital in the team getting this 3 point for Fulham. They started out the season good, just the same as how in the game against Liverpool, he was a vital player in that game. And so far this season, Bobby Reid is one of the vital players for Fulham. Can't forget Mitrovic, but definitely Bobby Reid, well done again, and hopefully, since you're hoping account now, we're expecting to see a lot more goals coming in and assists coming in because you're playing a way more, a bit more forward now. So now we're gonna look at the last player. No, this one is a unique one, I would say. Leon Bailey, definitely a unique one. He registered an assist. Unfortunately, Aston Villa lost to Crystal Palace 3 goals to 1, and Leon Bailey registered an assist to the goal that they scored. He also hit the bar. He looks really electric, but in the 60th minute, you can see that he looks a bit jaded. Not sure why. He looks a bit tired. I'm not sure if he still haven't adapted intensity as yet. But whenever he has the ball on his feet, I personally think he's trying to do a little bit too much. I honestly think so. Sometimes he can make it really, really simple and just pass and move, touch and go, and definitely let things happen for itself. Sometimes it definitely feels as if he's forcing. It feels as if he's forcing the issue. That's how it feels sometimes to me, as if he's forcing the issue. Nonetheless, another good performance. 65 minutes of football. He's getting there. He's really, really getting there, people. Registered an assist in this game. So looking forward to seeing more from him in this season, and I'm expecting big things from Leon Bailey this season. Leggo the ball. Anyways, I see, unfortunately, as me taking out of my FPL, in this side to turn up with something. One of them things. Anyways, people, thank you very much for tuning in. Really appreciate it, guys. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV, we are out.